In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Chase to Chime. Whether you're trying to move funds for budgeting or just need to make a quick transfer, this process is straightforward and can be done right from your phone. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to do so from your phone's app store. Once you've got the app open, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which is the hub for all your Chime activities. From here, navigate to the Move Money section. This is where all the magic happens. The Move Money section is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to manage your funds with ease. It's the go-to spot for any transactions you need to make, including transferring money between accounts. Before you proceed, ensure that your Chase account is already linked to your Chime account. If it's not linked yet, you'll need to go through the linking process, which usually involves verifying your Chase account details within the Chime app. This step is crucial because it allows the two accounts to communicate and transfer funds seamlessly. Once you've confirmed that your Chase account is linked, you can move on to the next step. In the Move Money section, select your Chase account as the sender. This means you're instructing the app to take money from your Chase account. Then, choose your Chime account as the receiver. Essentially, you're telling the app where you want the money to go. Now it's time to decide how much money you want to transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Chase account to your Chime account. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered the correct amount, tap Transfer. The app will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. This is an important step because it ensures that everything is correct before the money starts moving. Take a moment to review the details one last time. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your Chase account to your Chime account. It's a simple process, but it's always a good idea to make sure each step is followed carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to transfer money effortlessly between your Chase and Chime accounts. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.